Hey everyone, how's it going? So last time we started taking care of the outputting of the retweets, and we made some good progress, but at the moment the retweets are giving us an error where the user object is not populated. So if I just remind you, I'll go back to common.js, and I'll just set a breakpoint on this line right here, refresh the page, and you'll see that postedBy is an ID, so we need to populate it, okay? So how do we do that? So what we essentially need to populate is so we first populate the retweet data. We're already doing that. So we already have access to the post data for the post that we've retweeted. Now the problem is inside of the post data, so whichever one this links to, if I just do a search for this ID right here, where's this gone to? So where's the post we've retweeted? Right here. So this is the one we've retweeted, right? So in this case, retweet data contains this post right here, but inside that we have this postedBy object which we need to populate too, because at the moment when we're trying to use it, it's just an ID. So we need to populate the data inside of something that we've already populated. So it's actually really simple to do. If we go back to post.js on the server, we're going to go to our get handler right here, because this is where we're getting the post that we want to output. And I'm going to basically extend on this this callback. So instead of doing it on one line like this, I'm going to put curly braces there, and the same one, put it there after it like this. So I've put curly brackets around this callback because we're going to extend it. Remember, you could only do it on one line if there's only one line of the callback, but we're going to add to it here. We're just going to say results equals, and then we're going to say await user.populate, and then the data we want to populate is results. Results. And then when we populate, we need to specify the path. So we can say path colon, and then the path we want to populate is retweet data dot postedBy. So this will go into the retweet data and populate the postedBy field. Okay. Now because we've used await here, we need to make this function right here, an async one. So we just go to the front and just put async like that. And now this callback is an async function, okay? So that will hopefully work for us. So I've restarted the server. And if I go back to here and refresh the page and log in, I'm going to just get rid of the breakpoint as well. If I log in, so now we see the retweets. It works. Remember, I retweeted, this is the first post, and it was okay. So if I get rid of that retweet, you'll see that that will now go away. And just to be sure, I'll retweet something else, this one with beef jerky. So we should now see beef jerky at the top. And we do, it's right there. So now it's working. We have it output in the post that was retweeted, but of course we don't have any indication that this is a retweeted post. Instead, we just have the post again. But we'll take care of that in the next video.